this condo right behind me might be one of the best managed buildings around Square One. I mean, first of all, you got Celebration Square and Square One right there. You got the bus stop right in front of you. But what we got today is a 2-bedroom plus 1 corner unit, almost 1,000 square feet, and this building comes with an all-inclusive maintenance fee. There's not many of these that come with the all-inclusive maintenance fee around the Square One area, but when I say all-inclusive, I mean heat, hydro, water is all in one monthly payment. It's about 1,000 square feet, and the maintenance is about $745 per month, which is around 78 to 80 cents per square foot. Don't quote me on the math. I still have to do it on a calculator, but it's around 80 cents, let's say, per square foot, which is really good. So let's check it out here. This building is about let's say about 20 years old or so. I can get the exact age for you, but it's around there. And then again, one more time, you can see how close you are to Square One. And then the LRT is actually supposed to come around here one day, supposed to loop around Square One, but for now it's just going to be on here, Ontario. So let's go inside and let me show you what a decent layout for a 2+1 bedroom condo should actually look like. I like the corner units, I like the open concepts, so I think this one checks all the boxes. Let's go. This is at 220 Burnham Thorpe Road. Okay, so I'm inside this unit. I just want to show you, this is the entrance behind me. So I want you guys to get a good idea of the layout, and then when you walk in, let me turn this around here. So then you walk in, here is your den. Now this den is a pretty decent size. I mean, I don't like that it's not separated from the rest of the unit. It's like kind of just like in the corner there. The rest of the unit I think makes up for it. Check out the kitchen here. It is completely renovated. They've done new cabinets, new countertops, new backsplash, and it's quartz countertops. You got stainless steel appliances there. Look at this natural light shining in here. So much natural light. And it's wrapped around windows, and the view, my God. So this is Exchange District over there. You got Monroe Towers there, and then it keeps going. This is a south view on this side, which you can see the lake on a good day, but it's hard to see in the camera. And then down there, actually, they are going to build what I believe is Exchange District Part 2. It's going to be an extension to Exchange District. And then look at the view. It just keeps going. Wow. So look at this. Look how stretched out it is. I mean, to me, these are the best type of layouts for condos when it's just like a box or a rectangle, and it has something that's called like split bedrooms. So one room is on this side, the other room is on that side. Let me show you guys from this angle over here. Yeah, pretty nice. This is almost 1,000 square feet, listed at 620,000. All-inclusive maintenance of about $745. You do have a balcony as well. Let's check out the primary room. So by the way, these units, they have hardwood floors throughout. It's all hardwood. It is not laminate flooring. And then good natural light coming in here as well. This is a pretty decent size for a primary room in a condo here, because you can easily fit a king bed if you wanted. And then you have his and her closets. So one closet here, one closet there, and then it comes with the ensuite bathroom right here. Nothing so fancy, but honestly, it has everything you need, and the layout is kind of what I really like about this unit. Aside from the building, it's a very well-managed building and great location. This is the main bathroom right over here, as you can see. And here is your second bedroom. And one of the main features that I like about this second bedroom are these corner windows where it kind of feels like you're floating. There's so much natural light coming in here. So it's listed at $620,000. The property taxes are about $300 per month, and the maintenance is about $745. So if you bought this with the minimum down payment, I'll tell you exactly what your monthly payments would be, so that you don't have any more guesses, or, it just helps you in your decision making. So let's do that. Let's pull out the mortgage calculator here. Okay, so let's say 620, and I mean, this price is negotiable. With minimum down is $37,000, 30-year amortization we will put here, 30 years, and we'll put 4.2% for the interest rate on a fixed rate. So your monthly mortgage is going to be, I don't know if you can see that, but it's going to be about $3,000 plus $745 for your maintenance fee. So $3,000 plus $745, And again, this is all inclusive, so there's no other utility costs, no heat, no hydro, no water. It's all in that one maintenance fee. Plus $745, plus $300 for taxes. So your all-in carrying cost with the minimum down payment is about $4,045 per month. Now, I know this is still more than renting, but it's far cheaper than it used to be. Also, I just want to show you guys what the dollar per square foot is on this, because it's 945 square feet to be exact, divided by 745 divided by 945. We're at 78 cents per square foot. So I was right in the beginning. It's 78 cents per square foot. The average is about 85 cents per square foot. And that average does not include all utilities. But in this building, 220 Burnham Thorpe Road West, it's 78 cents with all inclusive utilities. So if you like this property tour, or you want me to show you some other parts of Mississauga or Toronto or different types of homes, just drop a comment below. I hope this helps, and I'll see you at the next property tour.